Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Google Meet beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.google.com and press enter. Once the Google homepage loads, locate the Sign In button in the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button. You will be directed to a login page. Enter your Google email address in the provided field. After entering your email, click Next. Now, input your password. Once you have entered your password, click Next again. If your credentials are correct, you will be logged into your Google account. Next, in the address bar, type meet.google.com and press enter. You will be taken to the Google Meet homepage. Here, you will see options to join or start a meeting. If you want to join a meeting, click on the Join a Meeting button. Enter the meeting code provided by the organizer. After entering the code, click Join. If prompted, allow Google Meet to access your camera and microphone. You may also need to adjust your settings based on your preferences. Once ready, click on the Join Now button. You are now logged into Google Meet and can participate in your meeting. Enjoy your video call experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.